Welcome to the LMS series of Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. I am delivering a lecture on basic surveying, in which I am taking model number 4, session number 1. The main objectives of this session is to make the students to understand the working principles of plane table surveying, accessories used in the plane table surveying. The presentation is made in the following sections: the plane table, the basic definitions of the plane table surveying, the principles on which the plane tabling can be done, instruments that are used in the plane table surveying. Plane table surveying is a graphical method of surveying in which the field observations and plotting are done simultaneously. It is very simple and cheaper than any other methods of conventional methods of surveying like theodolite or tachymetric survey. It is most suitable for the small scale and less important works like local map preparations. The plan is drawn by the surveyor in the field while the area to be surveyed is in front of his eyes. Therefore, there is no possibility of omitting the necessary measurements or details in the field. The main principles of plane table surveying are: all the rays drawn through various details should pass through the survey station, and the parallel meridian or the parallel station that will be used to draw the resector or the rays. The position of plane table at each station must be identical. That is, at each station, the table must be oriented in the direction of magnetic north. The equipments and accessories used for the plane tabling are mainly we will be using a plane table, tripod to mount the plane table, and alday to sight the field details or the objects. The accessories which are associated with the plane tabling are trough compass, spirit level, plumbing fork or the U fork, waterproof cover, drying paper, pins, and all other drying accessories. The equipments. The main equipments which are used in the plane tabling are a drying board, mainly a drying board for the plane tabling, which must be well seasoned wood with upper surface exactly plane. It is usually rectangular in shape with size of 75 centimeter by 60 centimeter. It is mounted on a tripod and clamps are provided to fix it in any direction. The table can be revolved about its vertical axis and can be clamped in any position whenever you want to sight a particular field, detail, or an object. So the snaps or the pictorial presentation of the plane table. So at the bottom side you have the leveling, attachment that can be mounted on the tripod. So when you just mount it on a tripod, you will be having this one. And a tripod, the plane table is mounted on tripod. A tripod is generally of open frame type, which is having a combined rigidity with lightness. The tripod may be made to fold for convenience for the transportation. Or tripod is provided with 3-foot screws at its top for leveling of the plane table. The earlier the wooden plane table. Nowadays we are getting aluminum or the metal tripods on which you can mount the plane table. So the LED is useful for establishing a line of sight. There are mainly two types of LEDs which are in use. One is the simple LED, the another one is the telescopic LED. The simple LED is one which is used for the ordinary work. It is generally consists of a gunmetal or wooden rule with two vertical vanes at its ends. The eye vane is provided with a narrow slit while the object vane is open and it carries a horsehair. Both the slits thus provide a definite line of sight which can be made to pass through the object that is to be sighted. So this is the pictorial presentation of the LED. And another one important one is the telescopic LED. The telescopic LED is used when it is required to take inclined sights. It is essentially consists of a small telescope with a level tube and graduated arc mounted on horizontal axis. It gives higher accuracy and more range of sights. Whenever the objects are too far, then we will be using the telescopic LED to sight or focus the objects. So the telescopic LED is pictorially presented here. So on one side you have the eyepiece and the other side you have the objective lens. It is basically optical based instrument. So at the top you have the spirit level which can be used to get the horizontal line of sight. On the other side you have the arc, the graduated arc to measure the inclination. So whenever you want to sight an inclined object, so you can just record what is the inclination. So on the other side you have the tubular spirit level which will be used to level the instrument. The other accessories include the trough compass. The trough compass is required for drawing the line of sight along the magnetic meridian on the paper. It is used to orient the table to the magnetic meridian. When the freely suspended needle shows 0 at each end, a line is drawn on the drawing paper which represents the magnetic north. So this is the pictorial presentation of the trough compass. So whenever the needle, freely suspended needle shows the 0 on both the north and the south pole, then it will be parallel to the meridian, magnetic meridian. So alongside of the spirit level, we are going to draw the line which indicates the north line. Spirit level. A spirit level is used for ascertaining the proper level of the table. The table is leveled by placing the level on the board in two positions at right angles and getting the bubble at the center of its run in both the direction or both the position. U-fork with plumb bob, or it is also called as plumbing fork. So U-fork with plumb bob is used for centering the table over the point or station occupied by the plane table when the plotted position of that point is already on the seat. So that means this U-frame can be used to mark the station on the paper or sometimes to transfer the already marked position on the paper to the ground. It also in the beginning of the work it is used for transferring the ground point on the seat. So this is the U-fork with the plumb bob. Other accessories what we are using is to cover the drawing paper. The protector will be used, or the umbrella structure will be used to protect the paper from the rain. So the drawing paper used to plot the ground details. Thank you.